ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
O Menteri Rangba Kajelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka sauterik unai luar arjar arpusau. Ula ong ba umdon Eiei ban Kynthoh ya ka jingsyak kedau keti haki sengsain pertai kibadon haka Liang Pyrshah. Haka jingi keren berkilat pertai kubor Menteri Rangba ula ong baka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Kabaladon mentah sau pusan ngut ki MLA da ka jingi trailang. Hapedeng ka NPP, ka UDP, ka HSPDP, bat ka BJP, Kynthoh da ka jing peniaso badang shen jong ki laingut ki MLA ki bana ka seng Kongres kala nang scam shu ban syakri ya ki pai ba nong song snong jong ka jilla.
The fact that today the coalition has got almost 45 MLAs even before these three MLAs joined in, and most of the coalition partners are very committed to the coalition, and we are also equally committed to them. And in spite of, as I said, the commitment that has been given by the coalition partners, that is there, that includes, as I said, many even independents are there. Larger parties like the UDP is there, and other BJP and other political parties, HSPDP, all are there. So we are not at all in a desperate position, as mentioned. In fact, this has strengthened us. Today, we are at a point where the NPP has its majority. But as I said, that does not mean that we are, in any way, looking at it from any arrogant point of view. No, we are very humbled. I mentioned this in my speech also, that I'm humbled by the joining of these leaders. I'm humbled by their trust on the government and on the party, and for them coming in and joining us. And as I said, it is nothing but a clear message of confidence in this government, clear message of confidence in the leadership, clear message of confidence in the National People's Party, and that is how I look at it. Whatever the other points that the opposition is mentioning, I really don't have any comments to make on it. They will be in a better position to look at it.